You can learn about mathematics tricks and tips on this channel. Please subscribe to this channel for new video updates. We do not get 801 when you multiply 81 by 9. How can you make this equation true without any changes? Rotate the card upside down and look. 108 equals 6 into 18. Now the equation becomes true. Can you write 4 in the middle of 5 and read it as 5? Write 5 in English capital letters. If you look in the middle of F and E, you can see 4 written in Roman script. Please like and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get maths video updates. Thanks for watching.